Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So let us continue our topic about operations of radicals. Okay? So this time naman, we will discuss about division of radicals. Okay? How can we divide radicals? Okay? So example here, now we have square root of 16 divided by square root of 25. Okay? So dito, it doesn't really matter then no kung equal yung radicand, no? Basta as long as equal yung index. Okay, here. To divide, no? Since 16 is a perfect square, kunin lang natin yung square root ng 16. The same story dito sa 25, no? So square root of 16 is 4, then square root of 25 is 5. So we have 4/5. Okay? Next, cube root of 64 divided by the cube root of 343. Okay? Again, 64 is a perfect cube, no? By what? By 4. No, because 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Okay? What about for 343? 343 is a perfect cube also. Okay? By what? By 7. Now, because 7 times 7 is 49 times 7 is 343. Okay? So, we have 4 over by 7. No? Kung perfect cube, a perfect square naman, no, pwede na natin kunin kaagad, then saka natin i-divide para mas madali. But, kung ang given is just like this one, no? Square root of x squared divided by cube root of 8. Again, x squared is a perfect square. 8 is a perfect cube. O, kunin na lang ulit natin. We have x over by 2. Okay? Because the cube root of 8 is 2. This one. Okay. Square root of 32 divided by square root of 50. No? They are not both perfect square. Okay? What should we do here? Get or simplify muna. No? Simplify square root of 32. No? We have here 16 times 2. Isa sa factor niya is a perfect square. The same dito sa square root of 50. No? We have 25 times 2. Okay? Square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 2 all over by square root of 25 is 5 times square root of 2. Then, next, pwede natin i-cancel out to. Square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 is 1. Okay? Cancel out. Di masyadong nakita yung slant na line dyan. Then we have 4/5. Okay? So, pwede natin cancel out because square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 is 1. Next, square root of 3x cubed divided by square root of 6x. Okay, medyo iba to, no? What should we do? Pag-isahin natin, no? Okay, lagay natin sila sa isang radical sign, no? Since parehas naman sila ng index. 3x cubed divided by 6x. Following the laws of exponent or yung sa rational expression, no? E pwede natin gamitin dito. 3 divided by 6 cannot be, so magiging 1/2 na lang yan or 1, no? Then x cubed divided by x is x squared. Now, because here, since parehas yung base, subtract the exponent, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, magiging x squared over by 2. Okay? Kasi 1/2 to eh. Kinuha natin yung lowest term ng 3/6. Now, here, magiging square root of x squared. Now, x squared is a perfect square. So, magiging x, no, which is the square root of x squared over by the square root of 2. No? 2 is not a perfect square, kaya still remain pa rin siya in a radical sign. But sa rule ng radical expressions, no, actually hindi ko sinadya kung hindi ibigay sa inyo to doon sa mga previous lessons. Okay? Kasi nga applicable siya sa division. Okay? Dapat yung denominator natin, specifically kung yung expression natin involve yung fraction, no, dapat yung denominator walang radical sign. Okay? And since sa x over by square root of 2, may radical sign yung denominator natin, ito, hindi yan pwede. Tatanggalin natin by rationalizing the expression. To rationalize, no, hahanap tayo ng term na pwede nating i-multiply sa square root of 2 na kung saan makukuha natin yung radical sign. So, syempre, first thing to do natin here is to multiply it by itself, just like what we did doon sa multiplication. Diba, may example ako doon na square root of 7 times square root of 7 is equal to 7. No? Kasi nga natanggal na yung radical sign. Because 7 times 7 is a perfect square na yung sagot doon. So, i-multiply natin siya by square root of 2 times square root of 2. Okay? Yan. Numerator and the denominator. Okay? X times square root of 2 is x times square root of 2 over by square root of 2 times square root of 2, or simply cancel this out, magiging 2 na lang yan. Okay? Pero not all the time ha, na pwede natin i-multiply dito is kaparehas niya lang. No? Not all cases kasi depende pa rin yan sa index. Dito mas madali kasi nga para sila yung square root. Okay? Let us have another example. Okay, ito medyo mahirap. Cube root of x, 3x squared divided by square root of 6x. Okay, okay. As you can see, no, magkaiba sila ng index pala, no? Sabi ko kanina, okay lang yung sa radical expression, sa division, kung magkaiba yung radicand as long as magkaiba yung index. But this time, index naman yung magkaiba at saka yung radicand. Okay? So just like what we did in multiplication of radicals with different index, i-write natin siya into exponential form. So what is the exponential form of cube root of 3x squared? We have 3x squared raised to 1/3, quantity enclosed in parentheses, over by 6x raised to 1/2. Now, quantity of 6x raised to 1/2. Now, next, yes, no? Get the LCD, no? Shortcut na natin, wag na natin distribute sa 3 and tsaka sa x. Get the LCD, now, of 1/3 and 1/2. That is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. So, you have 3x squared raised to 2/6 over by 6. Since 6 yung ano nila, wala akong nailagay dito. Okay, ito yun. No? 6 yung LCD. 6 divide by 2. Ito yun. Denominator is 3 times 1 times 1 is equal to 3. So, magiging 6x raised to 3/6. Okay, now, parehas din denominator, ibalik natin siya into radical form. 6th root of 3x squared raised to 2 over by 6th root of 6x raised to 3. Then, simplify, no? 3x squared raised to 2 is 9x raised to 4 over by 6th root of 6x cubed is equal to 216x cubed. Then, pag-isahin natin, no, sa isang radical sign. Then, dito na natin i-perform yung mga laws of exponents. No? 9 divided by 216, pwede ba? Okay, try natin kung pwede si 216 kay 9. 24, so pwede. No? Pero lowest term ang gagamitin natin kasi mas maliit si 9 kay 216. Okay, we have 1 over by 24, no, sa lowest term. Then x raised to 4 divided by x cubed. Okay, para silang x. What are we going to do what are we going to the exponent, no? To do. Now, 4 minus 3, so subtract natin, no? Since parehas naman silang x. 4 minus 3 is 1, so we have x lang. Okay? Next, we have here, no? 1 times x is x na lang, no? We have 6 root of 6x over by 6 root of 24. Now, kasi yan kumbaga binalik natin sila sa dati niyang na tig-isa sila ng radical sign. Pero this time, no, we cannot simplify 6 root of 24 because we cannot find any factor of 24 na may 6th root, no, na pwede nating i-simplify sa 6th root. What are we going to do here, no, is to rationalize ulit, no? Pero hindi natin siya pwedeng i-multiply by 6th root of 24, no? Because here, no, multiply natin siya by 24 times 24, that would be equal to 576. So, anong number na mag-equal to 576, no? Anong number yun na once i-multiply natin 6 times by itself, lalabas si 576. Okay, try natin si 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ilan lang inabot? 64. Okay? 64. Kanina si 24 times 24 is 576 divided by natin 24 is also 24, no? So hindi natin pwedeng gamitin. May iwan pa ring radical. Dapat perfect. 6 truth siya. Okay, anong number 'yon? Okay, we will use this one. Okay, 6 root of 1944. Sir, paano mo nakuha yan? Okay, so dito, in-apply ko yung guess and check method, no? Actually, wala tayong masyadong method para makuha yung mabilisan lang, no? So, dadaanin natin sa mano-mano, no? Try natin muna ha. 24 times 1,944 and that is equal to 46,656. So ano yung number na may naaabot sa 46,656? And that is 6. Okay? So paano nangyari yun, sir? Multiply natin 6 times 6 times 6. Ilan na yun? 3, 4, 5, 6. Equal to 46,656. Okay, actually nag-guess and check ako. Gumamit ako ng nag-start ako kay 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then kada may makukuha ko na pang 6th power nila, no? Dinidivide ko by 24 kung pwede. Okay? Divide it by 24. Ito nakuha ko 1,944. Okay? Trinay ko kay 2, hindi pwede. No? Trinay ko kay kasi pag nag 24 times 24 ako, try natin. 24 times 64, 1,536. O balikan ko kay 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dapat 1,000. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede kay 24. No? 20 or 64. Ito rin. Isa rin sa dahilan kung bakit ko ginamit si 2 because 64 divided by 24 is this one. Dapat ma-divide ko siya by 24. So 6 ang naging eksakto sa kanila. Hindi rin si 4, hindi rin pwede si 4, na hindi rin pwede si 3. Si 6 lang. Okay? Exercise, no? Square root of 8 divided by square root of 2. Again, parehas naman yung index, no? Divide natin. Okay? So dito, actually kahit diretso na no? 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then the square root of 4 is 2, no? Pero dito gumamit pa ako ng rationalize. Now, pwede rin naman, no? Square root of 8 times square root of 2, that is square root of 16. Then cancel out yung radical sign dito. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Next, cube root of 5 divided by cube root of 9. Okay? So wala namang perfect cube. No, multiply natin, i-rationalize natin kaagad. Kasi we cannot also divide 5 and 9. 5 over by 9, no? Hindi siya divisible by 9. So multiply, maghahanap ka ulit. Ito na yung sinasabi ko na not all the time pwede natin gamitin yung kung anong denominator, yun ang i-multiply para ma-rationalize. Just like this one. If I use cube root of 9 to multiply the cube root of 9, that would be equal to cube root of 81. No? But 81 is not a perfect cube. It is a perfect square. So hindi natin matatanggal si radical sign. But if we multiply 9 by 3, which is equal to 27, and 27 is a perfect square, perfect cube, okay? Therefore, we can remove the radical sign here. No? So magiging here, no? 5 times 3 is 15, cube root of 15 over by 9 times 3 is 27. No? 27 is a perfect cube. Paano naging perfect cube? Try natin kay 3. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, then we have 27. Tatlong beses natin multiply si 3 by itself. So pasok siya kay cube root. Magiging cube root of 15 over by 3. Okay? Number 3, square root of 3 divided by cube root of 3. Magkaiba na naman yung index, no? Rewrite natin siya into, or ito, may shortcut method, no? Mapay na i-apply ko dito. Rationalize ka agad, no? Para hindi masyadong mahaba yung solution, rationalize ka agad, ha? Square root of 3 times cube root of 9, no? Then cube root of 3 times cube root of 9. Parang binaliktad ko lang to. Okay? So magiging Ito pala, no, ito, sorry. Naalala ko na. Ito pala yung i-rewrite natin into exponential form, no? Kasi nga mapapasok na tayo sa multiplication ng radicals. Okay? But since they having a different index, we cannot multiply immediately these two terms, no? What should we do here is to rewrite it into exponential form, no? Okay, for the square root of 3, we have 3 raised to 1 half times 9 raised to 1 thirds. Okay, and then dito, since pares naman yung index, no? 3 times 9 is 27 na kaagad. Here, kunin natin yung LCD. Anong LCD? That is 6. Then, make it similar, no? We have 3 raised to 3 6 times 9 raised to 2 6. Hindi ko na-discuss kung paano nakuha si 3 6 at si 2 6 kasi nga meron na doon sa example. Then, cube root of 27 is 3. Okay? Balikan natin to. Rewrite this, rewrite this one into radical form ulit na magiging 6 root of 27 because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 times 6 root of 81 kasi nga 9 squared to, 9 times 9 is 81 over by 3. Now, pwede natin multiply 27 times 81. That would be equal to 2,187 over by 3. Okay, pwede ba natin i-simplify yung 2,187? Try natin, no? 3 times 3, pangalawa na yan, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pwede ba? 729, no? 2,087 divided by 729, pwede. So, magiging 3 raised to 6 times 3 over by 3, no? Sa 6 root tayo. Pwede natin cancel out to. Magiging 3 times the 6th root of 3 over by 3. Pero, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. 3 divided by 3. Ito, 3 divided by 3 or simply cancel this out. Then, the product is the 6th root of 3. I mean, the quotient is 6th root of 3. Okay? Sa haba-haba ng solution, ito lang pala yung sagot. Okay? So, ganyan pag multiplication tsaka division of radicals. Okay? That's it. Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? So, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.